another video on one of my Halloween props as a demo. This one I got literally this year, I think last month. It has like a little snake inside that comes out and hits your finger when you press this button. It has 3 phrases. It has LED eyes that glow red. So I can show you this right now. It's going to be a short video because this doesn't have too much to talk about, so I'll just show you this. There you go. Alright, that's all of it. The video will probably be longer, like 2 minutes, because the intro and outro maybe. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, then subscribe. If you want for more content, leave a like if you enjoyed, so I know that people want to actually see this stuff more. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.